Hey, it's your favorite realtor, Jennifer Crush. I am going to take a tour today of a just over 1,100 square foot slab on grade 2-bed, 2-bath located in the southwest area of Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And I just want to show you what $250,000 will buy you here in the southwest part of Sioux Falls. So for this 2-bed, 2-bath slab on grade home, there's a lot of construction going on at the area, so brand new development, you have a brand new home. As we go in the front door, you're going to come right into just a front entry. The first bedroom is right as you enter the home. It's a decent size bedroom. Probably put a full bed in here. Got a closet doors. In these homes, you can see a variety of things from doors to bifold doors. As you can see, they've also spent the extra money and put a nice closet system in. So we go back out to the main space here. Right as you come in, you've got your garage access with your washer and dryer space. Again, it's a rather decent sized garage, two-car garage for this. We've got water in the garage. And you've got your mechanicals area here. This is where your furnace and your water heater, all of that will be located. So go back out into the main space. We've got a full bath here. Comes with these light cabinets. You've got a slow close cabinet doors. Laminate countertop with a drop-in sink. Again, got a full tub. Coming into the main space, I really love the open concept of the kitchen, living, and dining area. It has that open concept feel, but yet each space still has kind of its own defined space. The rear is east facing, so you'll have amazing sunlight, sunrises in the morning. Again, this is just over 1,100 square foot. You've got probably a 7-foot island, again, appliances with a laminate countertop. Got your sink, dishwasher. Again, all of the cabinets are slow close. I really love the pennant lights. The ceilings are a 9-foot ceiling, so it makes it also feel more spacious, having those higher ceilings. Come into the primary. Again, we've got the closet systems. And that goes all the way through. And then we go into a 3/4 bath. As we go back out to the exterior, let's just take a little walk around of the property. We've got our electrical service right here. Again, just kind of a glance of the development. We've got the front. A lot of construction going on here right now. Again, this is a 2-bed, 2-bath, just over 1,100 square foot home in a new development on the southwest corner of Sioux Falls. This is listed at $252,000, and if this is something that interests you, reach out and we'll go take a look at it.